Hi everyone, Mr. Lopez here with a video explanation of one of the major components of our creative writing class this semester, and that is the creative writing workshop. Um, this will just be a couple minutes of a video, or a little bit longer, but it's stay with me because creative writing workshops, if you're not familiar with the process, are a very important component of a creative writing class, and they will comprise a majority of our weekly assignments for this class now that we have the first couple of weeks out of the way. So a few notes I have written down. Um, as you may know, our semester in creative writing at Wake Tech is divided into two sections for each genre. First, we begin with poetry, and then mid-semester we transition into fiction. And we've begun reading and thinking about and studying and writing our own poetry these first few weeks. And then around week 8 or 9, somewhere around there, we will transition into doing the same thing with fiction, short stories, flash fiction, prose fiction, telling stories. Um, so the way workshops work, if you're not familiar with this, especially for an online class, they're quite different. Um, each student will have an opportunity to have some of their work workshopped in the first half, the poetry portion of our course, and then in the second half, the fiction portion of our course. Um, these workshops will basically amount to each student being assigned a day. Um, and for us, our assignments are due Wednesdays and Saturdays. So each student in our class, for the poetry portion of our class, for example, will be assigned either a Wednesday or a Saturday. We will have probably 2 to 3 students per day assigned on the calendar. And this is what to expect. Once I post the creative writing class workshop calendar for our poetry assignments, what you should do is look at the calendar, find your day, and plan on at least a week before your date sending the poem that you want workshopped to me via email. And what a workshop is basically your opportunity to show the class a piece of creative writing that you're working on, and for our class to, on a discussion board for an online class, provide you with some feedback, comments on what is working, the strengths of the poem, and then what is maybe not working so well. Where in revision could the poem be strengthened? And so in more detail for y'all. Um, Look at the calendar. Each person in our class is assigned a date, and this will be for poetry for the first half of the semester, and then I'll create a separate calendar for fiction. So we look at the poetry calendar, the workshop calendar, and find the date that you were assigned. Plan on submitting to me via email at least 1 week before your date the poem you want us to workshop. You want your classmates and myself to post comments on to help you improve your writing. Your choice of poem can be anything. Stuff you've written for this class, stuff you've written for another class. There's no parameters on what you want workshopped other than, obviously, a piece of poetry for this first half of the semester that you want feedback on from your classmates. Nothing else matters. So 1 week before your assigned date, email the poem you want workshopped to me. And what I will do for the rest of the class, all of your classmates, I'm going to have folders in Blackboard, and I will give you directions on where to locate all this stuff as the weeks approach, where for each date you will find the poems that we are workshopping. So what we'll have are 2 to 3 students' poems per Wednesday and Saturday that if it's not your week where your poem is being workshopped, your responsibility will be to locate that poem, come up with comments, both critical and complimentary. Basically, what we're trying to do is give the authors, your classmates, feedback again on what is working and what is not. So come up with a list of critical remarks for your classmate. Go to the appropriate discussion board forum, and they will be labeled with each author's name, and post your comments in the discussion board forum. I'm going to be doing this as well for everybody in class. The idea for those of us who are not being workshopped that week. So if it's your turn, for everybody else is going to be posting responses, creating threads on their forum for you. The idea for us who are responding to the poems are to be specific. Nobody can really do anything with a comment like, your poem was great, or your poem needs work. That's so vague as to mean nothing. We want to focus on specific areas where the poem succeeds. Phrasing, words, sentences, line breaks, combinations of enjambments and end stops. Where do those work well? Stanza breaks. If the poem rhymes, did the rhymes work or not? Maybe specific rhymes worked and some didn't. Why or why not? A title. Is the title appropriate? Do you have any suggestions for alternative titles? Very specific feedback so that the author of the poem can scroll through our threads on the appropriate discussion board forum that applies to them after we post our comments, and can use those comments to hopefully improve their poem and to understand what works. If some of our comments said, this is working well, I love your phrasing in stanza 2, line 1, that sort of thing. So very specific comments, and there will be a word count. And I will post this in our weekly folders, our weekly lessons. But you will have to provide, not an essay, but a paragraph about feedback to your classmates. And so if your poem is being workshopped that week, your weekly grade for that day of when you workshop will be you submitting your creative writing, you submitting your poetry to me a week ahead of time. And that's how you receive an attendance and a point grade. For all of the rest of us who are workshopping the poems, you will receive your attendance and point value by completing your reply in the appropriate discussion board forum to the poems. Like I said, these will comprise, 6 to 8 weeks worth of this course between poetry and fiction. And so a large portion of our weekly assignment part of the course, which is about 10% of your course grade. I will hopefully post reminders each week. That's my plan, to post reminders through announcements, and those get sent to your WakeTech email, reminding you about who is up for workshop each week, whose poems you should be looking for in the folders and where the folders are located. And then I will have directions within each weekly lesson about how to access the discussion boards and where to post them and all that sort of thing, with directions on what to do. But in general, this is what to expect from our class moving forward, y'all. After the first couple weeks of the semester, where we're just sort of like get our feet wet with some creative writing terms related to poetry and how to make poems and think about poetry, we begin generating our own work, sharing it with each other, and helping each other become better writers. That's what this class is all about. I look forward to it. This is the meat and potatoes of this course, and it's what I really enjoy as a creative writing teacher, a chance for you to see your classmates' work and give them kudos and help them get their work better, and for you to receive the same thing back on your own work. And again, like I said, you'll get a chance to get this sort of feedback and provide it in poetry and then in fiction later on at the second half of the semester. And then something to think about long term, this is what I'll leave you with, is that our final exam for this class is not an exam per se. It will be your submission of a final portfolio of work. This is far away, and I'll give instructions on how to submit it. But the gist of the final portfolio is it will be comprised of 5 poems at least and 10 plus pages of fiction, of story writing. And so what students almost always do is use the feedback they get from these creative writing workshops to revise their poems and stories, at least one of each, to help fortify that final portfolio that you'll turn in at the end of the semester and make it a display of your best work, sort of like your semester-long project as a writer. So that's just something to think about long term. Otherwise, keep an eye out for the workshop schedule for poetry. I'll post that. Some announcements coming, giving you directions on where to go and how to sort of navigate all this. And trust me, y'all, it might seem like a lot right now, but once we get into the habit, the rhythm of it, it's going to become second nature because we're going to be doing this almost every week. Take care. If I can answer any questions, let me know, and we'll talk soon. Bye.